Fog's rolling low through the valley floor. Smell of wood smoke drifting from the porch door. Coffee cups steaming, the day's brand new. Sun's peeking out with a golden hue. The ridges wake with a redbird song. Been calling these hills my home so long. There's peace in the air and I feel it deep, where the pines stand guard and the willows weep. Appalachian sunrise, lighting up the trees. Autumn leaves are falling, dancing on the breeze. Life moves gentle, soft and slow, like the streams down in the holler flow. I thank the Lord for days like these. Appalachian sunrise and autumn leaves.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today on this dreary, rainy day, we're going to be making pumpkin bread. This is going to be really easy. All you need is a box spice cake mix. I don't have a spice cake mix, so I'm going to use a yellow cake mix and pumpkin pie spice to make a spice cake. And you'll need 15 ounces of pure pumpkin. I have my home canned pumpkin. I'll have to strain this and puree it, and you'll have an easier time just using the cake mix and the can of pumpkin. But let's get started. Okay, first off, I'm gonna strain my pumpkin. After we use this, I may probably just stick to baking the pumpkin and getting the pumpkin out and pureeing it and then just freezing it. I think that'll be a lot easier. But we don't eat a whole lot of pumpkin. Daniel loves pumpkin, but I like breads and stuff, but I don't really like pumpkin pie. But he loves it. Okay, I'm going to just let that drain for a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to just run this through the food processor or blender, and then I'll be back. Okay, it's really easy. Dump in your cake mix. If you have a spice cake mix, that's all you do. But I have a vanilla, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'll mix that up. And then I'm going to put my pumpkin. It took 2 pints of home canned pumpkin. For mine anyway. So if you have home canned pumpkin, you might want to have 2 pints on hand. Scrape that out in a minute. All you do is mix those together. It said it'll be really thick. I've got my oven set on 350. Come right together. Okay, now we're going to just put this in a greased pan. Oh, that didn't get mixed up good. Mix it up a little bit better. We're going to put this in a 350 degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. We'll be back whenever that gets done. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I'm going to leave it in the pan for 15 minutes and then take it out and let it cool. Okay, we're going to get it out of the pan. Get this turned around. Okay, we're going to let this set and cool all the way, and we'll be back to give it a try. Okay, here it is all plated up. Let's give it a try.
All right.
Doug's gonna try it. He's not much of a pumpkin either. I like pumpkin breads and pumpkin roll.
That's good.
We was gonna wait on Daniel to try it, but he has to work till 3 o'clock in the morning, so he'll be trying it when he gets up tomorrow.
It's delicious, folks. I recommend it. And like I said, I'm not even a big pumpkin eater.
That is good. Be really good with some cream cheese icing on it. But we work with what we got, so.
And also, I'd like to ask everybody if they would please keep praying for Shelby and her brother, and also Karen Brewer. She's another one of our subscribers. If you would, please keep all those in your prayers. And like I said, pray for all of yous. Everybody you know, pray for them and pray for us. We're praying for you all. And Lord willing, be a seeing you Monday.
I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holman's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at dawn. So thank you for watching as we close this song at Holman's Homestead, where we all belong. With your hearts beside us, we'll keep rolling on. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at dawn.